Mustard is yet another member of the Brassica family, a huge family of vegetables, all of which develop from the wild cabbage and include cauliflower, cabbage, broccoli, kale, collards, turnips, and Brussels sprouts. Mustard probably originates somewhere in Eastern Asia and has been cultivated for nearly 3,000 years in Central Asia, the Himalayas, India, Russia, and China. Florida broadleaf mustard is an old southern favorite prized for its large, fleshy, dark green leaves and mildly pungent flavor. Plants grow in a semi-upright habit, reaching 16 to 22 inches tall, and have oval 8-inch by 8-inch dark green leaves, a very vigorous and productive variety. Keep Florida broadleaf moist and free from weeds. A thick layer of mulch will help conserve moisture, control weeds, and keep the greens free from dirt. Grow mustard as a border or strip planting in gardens, orchards, or vineyards. Plant mustard green with other leafy greens, English peas, or snap peas. The fine, flavorful leaves of Florida broadleaf can be used fresh in salads, sandwiches, or cooked for greens. Mustard is eaten because its zippy leaves are high in nutrients. Mustard greens are among the most nutritious of greens, rich in vitamins A and C, as well as calcium, iron, and potassium. Like other brassicas, they also contain a variety of cancer-preventing phytochemicals.